So here's something cool you may not know. TIBCO can integrate with drones. We can integrate with drones that look like this friendly cost one that's under $100. But it comes with a built-in GPS and autopilot, level 2, stage 2 autopilot. And it uses something called the Mavlink protocol to communicate. And this is how TIBCO connects to the drone. We use the Mavlink protocol, which we have an extension available in Flogo that allows us to communicate and do things like arm and disarm, upload a mission, listen to events or coming off of the drone itself, and even execute any arbitrary command and start missions. Using these activities, we can do things like create that mission payload upload event and trigger the entire drone to follow through on the full execution cycle of that mission. So upload the mission, we're going to set the mode, arm the drone to arm the motors, and then even start the mission. Meanwhile, while this is going on, we can be listening for all of the events coming off the drone itself. And there's a whole number of events that come off, like the GPS location, the battery status, and even when it reaches certain milestones, like the waypoint being reached, which is what we have configured right here with this branch that's saying whenever we get an event that tells us that a mission item has been reached, we can branch and take specific actions. And so you can do this yourself. You don't have to go out and buy a drone just to try this out for yourself. There is a software in the loop option, which is what you see running here. In the top left, I have Ardupilot's Vagrant implementation of a drone. This implements the Mavlink protocol for you. And then, of course, you can get the mission planner software if you want to have a nice visualization on top. And then I have my application here for the Flogo application. And so the application that we just looked at on the Flogo Enterprise Studio webpage will be executed. So we go ahead and run this executable, and we see that the drone on the left-hand side is receiving the mission. It'll then arm the motors, and then the mission will be started. And as this is flying along, we will see the, oh, look at that. As it's flying along, though, we'll see that the drone is reaching the various waypoints. One more time. And this is where we say, ta-da. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and look forward to any comments and feedback.